Well, hey there guys, I know it has been a while, it's been a few weeks. I really need to do just an update video for you guys of what has been going on with my family. But I am back, things have slowed down, we're getting some sense of normalcy again, and so videos are starting back up. So today's video is one that I should have had up a couple weeks ago for you guys, and that is my youngest child's capsule wardrobe for fall and winter. This capsule is really something that works for a child that's between like 6 months and 2 years. If you guys are curious about my older girl's capsule wardrobe, you can go ahead and check that out up above in the cards or in the description box, and that is for kids that are over the age of 2. That one specifically is for my girls that are 3 and 4 years old. So if you're curious about that, go check it out if you missed it. But today's video, like I said, is for the younger ones. It's still the same amount of pieces in the wardrobe. I think my girls had like 15 pieces each. Ren, my youngest, has 16 pieces, but you will see that it's different types of pieces as opposed to with my older girls. So we'll go through all that. We're gonna start off though with pants. I have 5 pairs and 4 of them are from the Target Cat and Jack line. I have talked about before that Target, they don't have the sustainability side of things. They're definitely not top of the line, which shows through with their actual cost. But they are very good when it comes to the ethical side of manufacturing and the treatment of their employees. They have very good standards in place for that. And so if you are on a budget and you're trying to be conscious about the type of clothes that you are buying, although Target is not like top of the line, they are a very good choice, and you know that when you're purchasing from there, you're not supporting slave labor, human trafficking, child labor. You know that it's clean, safe working environments, that they're able to file complaints against their employers. Like, you know that all that's in place, and that's really important. Now, why I love Target so much is because they have a 1-year warranty on their Cat and Jack line. Keep your receipt, you can take it back and get a full refund. And that's really, really great for pants, because if you have kids, especially crawlers like I have with Rensley, they put holes in their pants before the end of the season. So it's nice that you aren't out that money and you can get it replaced easily. So I'm gonna show you guys the 4 from Cat and Jack line. I don't know if Cat and Jack had these last year. I wasn't paying enough attention maybe, but they have this thicker legging. So it's definitely a legging, but it is slightly thicker, which I love. So I got 2 of those, 1 black, 1 gray, and then I got a regular legging. Because we are in North Carolina, we have a lot of like 60, 70 degree days in the winter, so we don't always need like really thick pants. But then if we have a 30-degree day here or there, I can use the thicker ones, or I can use these. I picked up, this is the 4th pair of like an actual sweatpant that's loose fitted. And then the 5th pair is not from Cat and Jack. This is from Colored Organics. It is a GOTS certified brand. You'll see I have quite a few pieces from them. You can get them on Amazon, so they're really easy to get a hold of. I also have 1 pair of tights for her, but they got washed when we picked them up from the store, so they're not currently down here. But I can't express enough how helpful they are for little kids. You know, socks never stay on. We do have socks for her, but tights are so much easier in the winter. Whether you have a car ride that's 2 minutes or 20 minutes, your kids' socks are never on when you get to your location. So they're very helpful because they can't pull those off. So whether you have boys or girls, I highly recommend putting tights on under their pants if you get tired of having to find socks in the car that they've thrown about everywhere. One of my kids and my husband are inside now, so you might hear them in the background, but we're gonna move on to sleepers now. So these are both from Parade Organics. Parade Organics is actually one of my new favorite brands. They are a little more pricey, not quite like Hannah Anderson, but they're kind of between like Cat and Jack and Hannah Anderson pricing. So that mid-range. They are GOTS certified as well. They are just really nice quality. They last, and what I love about their zip-up sleepers is they go both ways. So you can zip up from the bottom if you're just changing a diaper, or you can zip down from the top if you're actually like changing them or putting it on. So they're just really nice. So I have this cute little purple print with a pink zipper, and then this print is one of my favorites. I wanted to get her something that was kind of a little Christmassy, and it has these little trees with snow on it and this really pretty like olive green kind of color. Okay, so that's all that I have for pants and sleepers. Now moving on to tops. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tops, or dresses, tops or dresses. So I'll start with these 4. You guys have seen these already if you watched my summer spring capsule wardrobe for Ren, and these are actually getting ready to be phased out, so she won't have quite this many pieces. She'll probably have like 2 less soon. So this first one is one that I had gotten at a kids consignment sale, and then I have 3 onesies that are from primary.com. So these ones I really only use for her like at bedtime. So she uses a sleep sack from Hannah Anderson that she sleeps with, and I just put a long sleeve onesie on her underneath. So I'm still using these really just for that, not so much for like everyday wear. So these are the new pieces that I picked up for her. So I'll show you this one first. There's gonna be a little bit of staining on it because she just wore it yesterday. It needs to be washed. So this is by the brand Frugal Organics or Earthy. They just got their GOT certification. They are very affordable. Also available on Amazon, which is awesome. So this is a knitted sweater. This is a little bit big on her still, but when she wears like a cloth diaper with it, that's another thing too, is she kind of has like a wide range of sizes. She has from 12 months up to 18 months in her tops, and she can wear them both. One will just be baggy, the other will be a little bit more fit, but also for cloth diapers, because we do cloth diapers at home and not when we're out yet, I might put something a little more trim fit on her if we're going out. Somebody just needs to kick me in the butt and say, Ariana, just try cloth diapering out of the house. Have not had the balls to do it yet. So, and then I have these 3 onesies from Colored Organics, so the same brand as that pair of pants that I talked about that are GOT certified. These, I love the colors that they have. So this one is like an olive green, and then this one is, I don't know, what would you call it? It's called like dusty rose, and then a kind of tan. This was the priciest one that I picked up for her. So, you know, I'm really big on shopping consignment. I did a lot of pretty much all consignment for my older girls' capsule wardrobe. I love doing that. But for Ren, I was like, you know what? Let's get her some fun pieces this time, and we had the budget for it. So that's why I bought a lot of newer pieces for her. But this piece was the most expensive, and the brand is called Cat and Dogma. I think it was between $30 or $40. So like, I'm not talking like, you know, $60 dress for my 1-year-old. So it wasn't that bad. But I would say it's Hannah Anderson pricing when Hannah Anderson isn't on sale. So this is the dress, and it's pink. It has dinosaurs on it. It's so cute. I love it. And it is so soft. She has not worn this yet. But we have washed it, so I know that it washed really well, like it didn't wear down at all. Oh, and then I have her sweater. So I actually need to buy her a coat. She only has a hoodie right now. I don't count this towards her pieces, but she has this hoodie, which is actually a pass down. We purchased this for Rev. So it has been worn for 3 kids, and is one of the few things that we still had left over. So Ren is wearing it, and I do need to buy her a coat. I think I'm gonna buy her one of the Burt's Bees GOT certified coats, because I know that we had really good luck with that when Ari was wearing it. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you are new. If you have any questions about kids' capsule wardrobes, make sure you leave them down in the comments below for me, and I will see all of your wonderful faces in my next video. Bye.